Hello students, this is your English teacher Manpreet Kaur, and in this video lesson we are going to discuss the transformation of sentences, in particular affirmative to negative sentences. So you all know very well about the affirmative sentences and negative sentences. So negative sentences are the ones which has not, never, no, these kind of words, and on the other hand the sentences without any negative words means no, none, never, they are called as affirmative sentences. Now in our exam from 9th onwards we usually find the sentences beginning with as soon as or no sooner in our functional grammar. Okay, and there is always a confusion between where we should use did and where we have to use had, then where we have to use do or does. So in this video lesson you will be made clear about the different kinds of helping verbs which you should use just after no sooner. So you can see now the very first sentence. As soon as we reached the airport, the plane landed. Okay, and as soon as means जैसे ही हम airport पहुँचे. So जैसे ही. So as soon as we reached the airport, the plane landed. So reached word you can see this is in simple past tense. So when we have to change it into no sooner means a negative sentence. So no sooner is always followed by a helping verb. So here if the tense is the simple past tense, so with no sooner you are going to use did plus verb first form. Okay, so no sooner did we reach the airport, and then you have to see with as soon as there will be a comma. As soon as we reached the airport, comma, the plane landed. When you have to change it into no sooner, so no sooner is always followed by a word which is called than. Okay, so no sooner did we reach the airport than, and this is THAN, than, not then, than the plane landed. Rest of the sentence is going to be the same. In similar way you can see the second one. As soon as we had reached the airport, comma, the plane landed. Now here you can see the verb is had reached. So this will be transformed as no sooner had we reached the airport than the plane landed. So if with as soon as you will see had is used, so with no sooner also you can pick up the word had. Then as soon as the bell rings, the students run out of the classroom. So here rings is in simple present tense. So here the helping verb which will be used is no sooner does the bell ring. Does comes according to the bell. So no sooner does the bell ring than the students run out of the classroom. Clear? So if the sentence is in present tense, so you will use do, does, has accordingly, and if the sentence is given in past tense then you have to use had or did. Okay, and the next thing which I should tell you is that as I said no sooner is followed by a helping verb. So now in the first sentence you can see as soon as we reached. Now this is the main verb, reached. There is no helping verb, and when there is no helping verb you have to pick up do, does, did. Okay, and at the end you can just see. So first thing is no sooner is followed by a verb. Number 2, did is always having the verb first form, as in the first example you can see. Then has, have, had will always consist of verb third form, like had reached. And no sooner will have one conjunction, that is than, THAN. So I hope you will learn these properly and you will not make any mistake in your transformation of sentences when it comes to the sentences beginning with as soon as or the transformation of as soon as to no sooner. Thank you. Have a nice day.